So in this example, we are going to see about the is authenticated. So we are actually checking whether a particular user is authenticated or not. So if they are authenticated, we will allow them to, if they are already authenticated means they are already logged in, then they don't have to register, right? So they can just add the post and and they can do the logout option, right? So when the screen appears, I want the screen to be like, if I have already logged in, then there should not be any register button, or there should be only the logout button. Okay, and this, where am I going to make the change? I am going to make the change in the base.html. So what I should do is that if the user is authenticated, okay, then I should be able to add a post. Okay, so I should be able to add the post, right? And then I should also be able to log out. Okay, so I should also be able to log out. These are the two things which I should be able to do if I am an authenticated user. Okay, now if I have not logged in, then what I need to do, I need to register. I should be able to register and I should be able to log in. Alright, so these two should happen here basically, right? So I should be able to register and log in. So let's save this and let's go to the, so we are in the page and we will, so when you look at here, there is a small change which has happened. So I'm in the guest, so that means that I have not logged in, right? So I'm going to, so I have these buttons like register and login, right? So now I'm going to log in. Okay, say I'm logging it as admin. So when I'm logging it as admin, see, this has now changed to add post and log out. You getting my point? So if I log out, I will have register and login. If I am already logging in, then I will have add post and log out. So this is the change which has happened, right? Okay. So we'll see the rest of the things in the next video. Thank you.